Today I'm creating press-on nails with these nails from Shein. This is the stiletto shape, and I place it on the nail stand already. And I'm moving on to cleaning the nails to make them ready for gel polish, and just buffing the shine a little bit around the edges and cleaning the tip. Once I'm done with this process, I'm applying base gel and cure that for 60 seconds. I'm making sure that I don't have any dust on the nails because it's not gonna be good. It's gonna be showing on the gel polish if you leave any dust behind. So this is the Imeli base gel, and once this is cured, I'm gonna move on to another beautiful color from Imeli. It's gonna be a nude that's gonna give the main base for this design. And this is it. This is the color that I'm talking about, and I'm gonna be doing 2 layers of this beautiful gel polish and curing each layer for 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp. This is how the nails are looking right now. Before I cure them, sometimes I like to turn it upside down so the gel gets nice and even. And next I'm gonna be using this beautiful Born Pretty jelly green. I'm gonna be creating some Frenchies. I realized that the next time I do Frenchies, I'm gonna have to probably get an opaque color because with the jelly, it was a little bit more difficult to get it nice and even. But I did it, so there it is. Once I'm done with all the Frenchies, the other 2 nails, the ring and the index, is gonna be where I'm gonna be creating the special design for today. I'm starting with an ombre here, and again the jelly polish didn't help too much with the ombre, but I finally did it after a lot of effort. Now I'm applying matte top coat on these 2 nails because I'm gonna be applying some chrome, and I don't want the chrome to attach to everything. I want the chrome to attach only to the design that I'm gonna be creating. And it's gonna be on these 2 nails, so that's why I'm just doing the matte top coat on the 2 nails that I'm gonna be designing. Next, I'm gonna be applying these beautiful stickers on the front of the Frenchie here. So it's gonna be on the thumbnail, the middle finger, and the pinky finger. The stickers are from Shein, and they are the exact same color as the chrome that I'm gonna be using today. So it's gonna be matching. It's gonna be matching the overall design for all the nails, which is good. I was happy that the chrome was exactly the same gold color as these stickers. The stickers are very good because it will save you a lot of time sometimes when you wanna create a quick design. Next, with the top coat, I'm gonna go ahead and paint like a frame around this nail. It's not going to be even. You can do this in a non-perfect way and it's still gonna be looking cute. You have to cure the top coat for no maximum than 10 seconds for the chrome powder to attach properly. If you cure the top coat all the way to the 60 seconds, the chrome powder is not going to attach. And you're gonna see right now how this is going to apply very nicely. Now I'm applying top coat on the chrome just to seal it, and in that way it's going to be easier just to wipe the excess with alcohol. But first I'm going to be doing the full cure for 60 seconds. On this nail, I'm just gonna be drawing some hearts with top coat. Then I'm gonna do the same process, apply chrome, seal the chrome again with top coat, cure that for the full 60 seconds. And I'm gonna be applying some cute stickers around it, and then it's gonna be finished. And for the final touch, I'm gonna go ahead with top coat. This is an iMaily top coat. It's a non-wipe top coat, meaning that it doesn't have a sticky layer, and it needs a 60-second cure. Once I'm done curing all the nails, I'm gonna show you guys the final result for today. And here it is. This is the final result. The nails came out really nice. I applied them onto my nails with sticky tabs for press-on nails. I don't think I would be wearing this length out in public. Probably I'm gonna have an accident and scratch someone or scratch myself. But for the design, they look really nice. I really like these nails. They came out really cute today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some tips and tricks on how to apply chrome powder. And I just want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. Subscribe so I can create more videos for you. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.